Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to fix a controller that's not working in Inazuma 11 Victory Road on PC. If your controller isn't responding, not being detected, or acting weird, try these solutions one by one. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click Inazuma 11 Victory Road and select Properties. On the left side, click the Controller tab. Find the drop-down menu that says Override for Inazuma 11 Victory Road. Select Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and test your controller. If it still doesn't work, go back to the same drop-down and this time select Disable Steam Input. Now launch the game again and see if it works. This alone fixes the issue for many players. Solution 2. Open Steam again and click on Settings. Go to Controller. Here you will see several options. Only enable what you actually use. If you use an Xbox controller, enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. If it still doesn't work, try disabling it instead. If you use a PlayStation controller, find PlayStation controller support. Try selecting Not Enabled first. If that doesn't work, select Enabling games without support. If you use a Switch controller or generic Gamepad, enable the corresponding support option. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if you're using an Xbox Gamepad. This often helps with detection issues. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it, then expand Human Interface Devices. Find your controller in the list. Right-click it and choose Disable Device. Then, right-click it again and choose Enable Device. This refreshes the driver and often fixes recognition problems. Solution 4. Still not working? Try updating the controller drivers manually. Right-click your gamepad again and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your gamepad driver from the list, then click Next. Wait for the installation to finish. Now launch the game and test your controller. It should be working. And that's it. You now know 4 effective ways to fix a controller that's not working in Inazuma 11 Victory Road on PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you need more help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.